Hello everyone. I, Dr. Vinod Kushwaha, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Hindustan College of Science and Technology, Paramutra. Now, today, I am going to deliver the losses of optical fiber. What is the loss of optical fiber? Optical fiber phenomena has been generated by fiber material which support the light guided mode. So, this cable is also introduced in previous lecture. So this cable is contains of three parts. First one is core section, second one is cladding section, and third one is jacket and sheath section. So this is three section based optical fiber cable. When the light is moving in core area, so some type loss has been generated in optical fiber. So today I discuss these losses one by one. The losses are, first one is absorption loss, second one is scattering loss, third one is microband loss, and fourth one is macroband loss, and fifth one attenuation loss. So these five losses are very important to understand the mechanism of optical fiber cable. The losses of optical fiber and decrease in signal strength along the fiber are due to following ways. So discuss one by one. I explain. First one, absorption loss. Second one, scattering loss, which is called Rayleigh scattering loss. Third one, microband loss. Fourth one, macroband loss. And fifth one, loss. This cable section is when the signal propagate in one area to another. This one is signal cross section area. This is theta naught. Acceptance angle theta is refracted in this way. So signal propagate in core section. This one is cladding, and last one is jacket or sheath. So these five basic losses has been discussed one by one. First one, absorption loss. The loss mechanism is related to material composition and fabrication process of fiber, which results in dissipation of some transmitted signals with power as heated in waveguide. When the light enter one point, go inside, the light has generated heated. So light absorbed by the fiber itself, core or cladding, or by impurities and imperfection in fiber such as water and metal, and it is a main source of attenuation. At resonance frequency, light absorbed by material of fiber. So this loss is called absorption loss. Now, having met the phenomena of absorption loss, the loss mechanism is related to material composition and fabrication. Process of fiber which results in dissipation of some transmitted optical power, just like a heat in waveguide. So cable has been heated. Light absorbed by the fiber itself, core or cladding, or by impurities and imperfection in fiber such as water and metal. Next one, it is a main source of attenuation. And third one, at resonance frequency, light absorbed by material of fiber. So this is the first loss, is known as absorption loss. Second one is Rayleigh scattering loss. Now, second one is scattering loss. The glass in optical fiber is an amorphous. Amorphous means non-crystalline. Crystalline means which crystalline? Crystalline means where atom and bases are regular interval. When atom and bases are irregular interval, the structure is known as amorphous structure. So the glass in optical fiber is an amorphous non-crystalline solid that is formed by allowing glass to cool from its molten state at high temperature until it freezes. So intrinsic loss mechanism caused by interaction of photon with glass itself. And second one, light is scattered by microscopic inhomogeneity. Homogeneity, similar surface. Microscopic fluctuations in density of silica material contains. At 1000 nanometer, losses is approximately 0.75 dV per kilometer. So this loss is known as scattering loss. This is defined by Rayleigh. If you show the diagram, this one is scattering loss. This is wavelength in micrometer wavelength. And this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losses. So this one is wavelength criteria 0.8, 0.9, 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5 micrometer. And when the light wavelength has been increases, the losses has been decreases. So this loss is called scattering loss. Now, the mechanism of scattering loss, when the light particles has been strike on the core surface, some part has been scattered. So this loss is known as scattering loss. In the mechanism, the glass in optical fiber is an amorphous non-crystalline solid that is formed by allowing glass to cool from its molten state at high temperature until it freezes. So this material has been developed, this type of material, when the material is not freeze. Intrinsic loss mechanism causes by interaction of photon with glass itself, and light is scattered by microscopic inhomogeneity, microscopic fluctuation in density of silica. At 1000 nanometer, losses is approximately 0.75 dB per kilometer has been calculated. So this type of loss is called scattering loss. And third one is microband loss, when the optical fiber cable deployed under the ground due to small surface irregularity in cladding causes light to reflected at an angle where there is no Fluctuations, reflection, fiber deformation commonly caused by poor cable designing. So this is loss of microband loss. When the cable has been transferred the signal and cable bent, so the signal intensity has been loosed. Attenuation has been generated, signal intensity has been loses. So this loss is known as microband loss. Now third loss is microband loss. Due to small surface irregularity in cladding, causes light to be reflected at an angle where there is no reflection. Further deformation commonly caused by poor cable designing. So this loss has been generated with sort of bands. So this is called micro bands. And next one is macro bands. Macro bands, it is commonly caused poor installation, poor handling. It may occur when fiber cable around a corner. If fiber is sharply bent, the light travel down the fiber core cannot turns and is lost in cladding. So this type of loss is called macro band loss. Now fourth one is macro band. What is macro band? Macro band is when the cable is bent in corner. So this is called macro band. When the signal transmit this and move to another area, time delay, so the signal has been lost. This is called macro band. This is macro band loss. So it is commonly caused by poor installation, poor handling, may occur when fiber cable around the corner. If fiber is sharply bent, then the light travel down the fiber core cannot turns and is lost to cable. The signal has been moved to this area and that one area. So signal strength is less due to bending moment. So this is called macro band. And last one is very important loss. This is called attenuation loss. The reduction in amplitude and intensity of a signal as it guided through an optical fiber, which is called attenuation. The ratio of optical output power from fiber of length to optical input power. It is represented by alpha. Alpha is a attenuation loss. So its unit is dB per kilometer. So this formula is alpha equal to 10 upon L log base 10 P input upon P output. No any material in the world which is ideal. So alpha equal to 0. If alpha equal to 0, P input equal to P output. In the case of pure silica, the alpha is 3 dB per kilometer. So this is last loss, optical fiber attenuation loss. So the mechanism of attenuation loss, which is represented by alpha, the reduction is amplitude and intensity of a signal as it guided through an optical fiber is called attenuation. So the ratio of optical output power from fiber of length L to optical input power, it is expressed by alpha. So the formula is alpha equal to 10 upon L log base 10 P input upon P output. So this is the attenuation calculation formula for ideal fiber. When for ideal fiber, when alpha equal to 0, then P input equal to P output. So no any material in the world which is ideal. So in the case of pure silica, the attenuation loss is alpha equal to 3 dV per kilometer. This is the 5 basic laws when we generate the optical fiber phenomena. This 5 losses has been calculated. So I hope you understand this demerits of optical fiber. Thank you so much.